I just think that it's important for people to know that the people who are responsible for providing care here really take their charge very seriously, and that we want the people who live in this community now and the people who might wish to live in this community in the future to know that state-of-the-art care in literally almost every single field is being provided inside this hospital and inside this community.
Many people choose to come here for their health care from communities that are beyond our primary service area. We find this to be the case in several different areas. Our surgical departments are among the best in the state. Our cardiac care is among the best in the state. Orthopedics are among the best in the state for sure. And I will tell you for sure that we've had patients come for neurosurgical care from all across the country.
From a community standpoint, as well as an economical standpoint, I think healthcare serves best when you have a regional hospital that's robust, but you also have to have physician practices that are thriving and stable. And I think if you have both of those things, great things happen. We are excited about the growth that MedPark has seen. We are excited about the medical community and the way things are moving in that way. We have 15 structures here in the park, almost entirely built with local hands. That represents over $50 million in construction. There are over 300 employees that work in MedPark, and we are now in the range of 1,500 to 2,000 cars a day.
It is evident that when people are looking at a community for relocation, one thing that's very important to that in that decision-making process is the healthcare services that are offered in that community for their employees. And we are very glad to be a partner in our community to understand what those needs are, whether it's occupational health or whether it's the service lines that we offer. In terms of occupational health, we have a full department there. We have a full array of services that can help make a manufacturer very successful in our community.
We think that the training programs that are here now are really a jumping off point for us to be able to make medical care here of the level and of the quality that any business person that wanted to be inside this community or any retiree that wanted to locate inside this community would be not only pleased with, but have the confidence to know that they'd be able to receive their medical care here without any concerns or any worries at all.
But now that our traffic counts are approaching 2,000, we are looking to add banking and financial businesses, pharmacy and durable medical equipment, and we're really close to having a coffee shop and cafe. So those are things that are kind of in the pipeline right now.
We have to be energetic, we have to be competent, and we have to be better than competent every single day that we deliver medical care, whether or not that's in the office, or whether or not it's in the emergency room, whether or not it's in the surgical suite, whether or not it's inside the ICU, or whether or not it's on the medical floor. So only by consistent excellence in every single way can we convince people when they come to this hospital that they're going to have a good experience, when they come to a physician inside this community that they're going to have a good experience, and that there's no reason for them to have to leave this community for almost anything at all.
We are committed at Lake Carmel Regional Hospital to providing the highest quality of service that we possibly can. We want to provide an unsurpassed level of service. To that end, we will never ever stop trying and striving to achieve that goal. We know that healthcare is a journey, and we know that it is a very personal decision. Healthcare is local in nature, and we want to make sure that if somebody is looking at our community, that they can rest assured that Lake Carmel Regional Hospital will be a great partner in providing that level of care for their employees.
I would say for SPEDA to enter the picture, and congratulations on a great first year. I think if nothing else, MedPark West, the story shows the potential of this community, and I think had there been a SPEDA then, It's interesting to think how it would have changed things, but I think SPEDA can be a voice going forward for future developments like this in the community.